outside is a free transit. Sunday. Time right now is 4:20 p.m. and the temperature is minus 12 degrees Celsius, but it feels like minus 19 degrees Celsius. And today I just start my walk on 12th Avenue Southwest and 8th Street Southwest, and let's continue the walk. I just finished another walking blog on 12th Avenue. So if you newcomer in the city, or if you want to moving on the city, you can also check out the 12th Avenue video. So it was fully residential area, and if you saw this video you will know better the area. So here is a 12th Avenue bus stop, and there is a huge Safeway in the middle of downtown on the 12th Avenue on 8th Street. In this video I'm going to show you guys today the free ride Calgary Transit, so free ride station. So I'm like every day new people are joining on my channel, and thank you so much for joining my channel. And I received like so many message in my Instagram. So if you don't follow yet, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is ishi.insta. So if you have any question, you can message me on Instagram. And what I am talking about, like I receive so many message whenever I post. I think 2 or 3 days ago one video in the Plus 15 network. So I think all the people who message me, they are planning to move in Calgary, so they don't know about what is the Plus 15. So maybe because I did like 2 or 3 more videos at Plus 15. So I will explain in my another brand new video, which is what is actually Plus 15 and why it's so important, and you can what and how many things you can explore in the Plus 15. Oops. So maybe in my next video you can see what is the plus 15 exactly. So that's why I couldn't replay you all of you guys. So that's why I planning to make another video in details of the plus 15. Here is a 7-Eleven. I think this one is 24 hours. Oh, very nice daylight now. It's my signal here. Taxi is still here because after the Uber, taxi is pretty much gone, right? But I saw so many taxi on the Stampede and Christmas time this year, last year. And this side has also very many condos, high-rise condos, residential condos actually. So you can check out on the residential condos here too. Whoever planning to come in Calgary and looking for a good neighborhood, so you can see on that side is all high-rise building. So I'm going on the 8th Street C train station to take a free ride. Is the map here. Now I am on the 8th Street, and all the 8th Street, 6th Street, 3rd Street, Central Street and City Hall, all this station and both side is a free transit, so you don't need to pay anything if you're traveling 8th Street to City Hall C train station. It's totally free. Oh, it looks so good. Let's check what time is the C train is coming on that side. So it doesn't show any time here. Maybe it will show time very soon. Finally, it's coming, the train. I was waiting for the 5 minutes for the train, and as you can see, I don't have any transfer or ticket today because I'm doing a free ride today. Here in the 6th Street Southwest. As you can see, it was a free ride.